What's up guys, my name is Jules and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a packing video. I'm moving back to Australia. I don't really know for how long, but I'm going to be moving to Melbourne and it is cold there. Along the way to Australia and back, I usually like to stop off at some pretty warm places, whether it's Thailand or Hawaii. So I kind of wanted to pack for all those things. So I thought I'd help you guys out today and show you kind of what I've learned in my past 2 years while traveling. Without ado, let's get started. So, one of the first things I want to talk to you about is luggage. I searched everywhere for a backpack. I wanted to get something that was easy access, it was small that I could fit carry-on, and something durable, and believe it or not, it's really hard to find. I've watched as many videos as I possibly could find, and this is what I ended up with. I bought it online. I kind of guessed the sizes. I did go into REI and get size, so I knew kind of what size I could get. And what I ended up with is Gregory backpack, and it's called the Amber 60. My favorite thing about this backpack is that it has fit and carry on every single time. I never get asked questions, even when it's pretty full. And I'll be walking up with a front backpack and my backpack, and no one asks anything. It's so tiny, but it fits so much stuff. Plus, it is also front loading, as you can see in there. It comes with a little detachable day pack, and I usually just fit my rain cover in there, and that just stays in the back. And it also comes with a top loading. So you can access it from loads of different ways. This thing does go really big, but it can go really small, and it still looks like a small backpack. Honestly, I would look into these backpacks. They're absolutely amazing. I got the size small/medium. Now, one of the things that I wish I knew when I was backpacking the first time is that your backpack's gonna hurt. You're not gonna want to carry that much at all, and you're gonna be chucking things in every hostel that you can find. So I wish I'd known that the first time. I probably wouldn't go back and redo it, but now, because I'm stepping away from backpacking just a tiny bit, what I decided to do this time is get a four-wheeling suitcase. The nice thing about this, and this is what I'm planning on doing, is to put my backpack underneath the plane and take this around with me. And that way I don't have to carry anything through the port. This is also carry-on size as well, so that should easily fit anywhere. This leads me to my last bag, and that is my camera bag. So not everyone's gonna need a bag this big, to be honest. For most people, like, your big backpack and a rolling suitcase like this would be perfect. For some people, a really small backpack to, like, day pack to carry around your stuff, and then this backpack is fine. But because I like making videos, I have a lot of camera equipment. So I got this LowePro bag, and it's a size 250. It's the FastPack. I just got this, so I haven't used this on the road, but I've been looking for a good camera backpack for ages, and once again I did loads of research, and this is what I ended up with, and I think it's fabulous. It is a tiny bit big, but obviously it's still carry-on. It'll fit under your seat, and it holds so much. And right here you have your camera, and that's going to fit everything. I'm filming right now on the 80D, and I also have the G7X and a couple different lenses that aren't in here. But you can kind of see that I'm able to fit all my lenses. I have my GoPro in here. I have my remote control for my drone, and then I have my propeller guards. And then up top, I kind of have just pretty much all my random things. And that's my drone. I have the Mavic Air. I have a pair of headphones to keep with me to edit on the plane. And then in the side pocket, I have my 13-inch MacBook Pro, and that just fits in right there. Favorite part though of all of this, as you can see, it has a clip for it to go on right here, so I could just walk around the airport like this. And I don't have to carry anything on my shoulders. So this is why I'm bringing these two things instead of my backpack, because when you're spending long days in the airport, the last thing you want to be doing is carrying things around your shoulder. And even if so, I can throw this on my shoulder, but it just makes it so much easier to be able to just walk around like this. Yeah, that's basically why I got all these different bags. I'll link them down below so you know exactly what to get. Are you guys ready to get packing? Let's go. I brought 2 pairs of shorts. For Melbourne, I'm gonna be bringing a pair of black jeans, and they kind of have this rose decal on them, and a pair of blue jeans. Next, these were kind of my going out clothes, so I brought a red skirt, brought 1 black dress, and then this is a play suit to wear when it's kind of warmer outside. So I'm bringing quite a few shirts. I have this one, it's kind of a crop top with a palm tree. This is another crop top. This is kind of a nicer tank top that I can wear. And this is kind of a more casual tank top I got in Thailand for like $3. A little bit nicer. Can be dressy or casual tank top. And then just a plain black t-shirt. These are kind of my dressier tops I figure I can wear for work depending on if I'm in an office or for interviews or anything like that. Next is workout clothes. I like to work out wherever I go. And have that available to me. If not, it's just nice to be comfy when you're backpacking, when you're going through Thailand, stuff like that. So I brought 2 tank tops for those, 2 pairs of shorts, and 1 t-shirt. So I am a jacket whore. I love jackets, and it is gonna be cold, so I wanna make sure I brought enough. I brought a flannel. This is kind of a rain jacket. Last I have kind of swimsuits, 2 pairs of swimsuits, then 1 extra pair of black bottoms that can go with either. Obviously like underwear and socks, which I'm not going to put in there. I brought 1 little pair of light black shorts I can wear to bed or underneath dresses, stuff like that. 1 pair of warm socks because it's going to be cold in Melbourne. I like to wear bralettes, so I have 2 bralettes and 2 sports bras. And to go along with my rule of 2, I'm bringing 2 pairs of shoes. I'll be wearing 1 more pair when I go on the plane. So I'm bringing a pair of sandals, those are always nice to have, and a pair of kind of dressier shoes that you can wear for interviews or out on a night. They're really cheap at Kmart in Australia. And then I also have a belt. Now, as far as toiletries, I'm kind of a pain about this. So I usually have this black bag. It's not full right now, but I have contact solution in there, my contact case. So I'm kind of a pain about that because I have to bring all my contact stuff for however long I may be there. These little things are my godsend. Like, they have saved me from getting sick. They give me energy. I've kicked my coffee addiction because of them. So I'm going to travel with those. I would not bring those if I was a normal backpacker, obviously. Last but not least is my travel towel. It's just a microfiber towel. And last but not least, my favorite thing in the entire world, my neck pillow. That's pretty much it. That's basically what I'm bringing to Australia with me. Anything else you need, you can go to Kmart, Target, anywhere else. Anyways, let's get to our next video, and that's going to be if you're just backpacking without an extra suitcase and what I would bring with that. So with pants, this time I would bring 2 pairs of shorts still, 1 pair of jeans, and then also the leggings that I'm wearing, and that's usually way more than enough. For shirts, I still brought quite a few tank tops because those are super easy to pack up. They're light, they condense really small. So I would always do that and just wear layers on top of it, jackets, sweatshirts, whatnot. So I brought my kind of fancier one for going out. I brought the other one I got in Thailand because it's nice and lightweight. Another workout top. I brought both those crop tops. This other kind of sporty one. I brought one long sleeve shirt just in case it's cold, and I brought one t-shirt. Just brought 2 pairs of workout shorts. I brought one sundress. I use this a lot in Thailand because it's nice and light. That nice play suit, and then black dress just in case you go out. And this time I brought only one sports bra. I just brought one jacket. If you're going someplace that's only hot, I wouldn't even bother bringing this. Maybe bring a light rain jacket. I'd probably only bring 1 pair of shoes plus the tennis shoes that I'm wearing right now. And again, this is probably going to be for Southeast Asia, kind of Australia area, where it's a little bit more relaxed. You don't have to have anything super dressy. I hope that video was helpful to you guys. If you have any more questions, just comment down below and I'll try and answer them. I'm going to be compiling a blog post of all the stuff I was packing and how much I think you should pack based on where you go. So if you have anything that you have questions about, then comment down below.